Then he has a strong peasant base. Where he comes from, Sangrur is a rural constituency.
Right.
He has a strong, base where the rural vote is concerned. What's not going to work for him? Number one, Nabila, which many will suggest is, why didn't his party show the faith in him earlier? The Aam Aadmi Party's classic politics, go back to the people, you tell us what you feel,
yeah.
You vote in. But the fact is, it's never happened in politics. If the party believes in you, then the party should put your faith in you.
Besides, as per the constitution, the public elects its MLAs and the MLAs nominate a chief minister. So this is unprecedented for real. Was Aam Aadmi Party really not sure?
Well, clearly they were not sure. Yeah. Clearly they were not sure. And it's something which had irked Bhagwant Mann. Remember that, that rally which just about a month ago, that rally which Arvind Kejriwal did in Jalandhar, it was a show of strength for the Aam Aadmi Party. Bhagwant Mann was missing from that rally. He was getting upset that he wasn't being announced. At the same time, the Aam Aadmi Party continued to flirt with Sidhu, wanting him to come into the party. And of course, he would have been offered the chief ministership if he had made that defection, right? On the other hand, just 3 weeks ago, when the big, faction of the farm protest leaders, Rajewal formed his own political outfit, which is going to possibly eat into the peasant vote bank of the Aam Aadmi Party, even the Shiromani Akali Dal. So when they formed that party, which sprung out of the farmers' movement, the Aam Aadmi Party was in talks with Rajewal as well. And one of the insider detail was that they were offering him the chief minister's face, something which hadn't gone down with Bhagwant Mann well. And you could see that he was quite angry. And now finally it was give back, and you could see the emotions. Water under the bridge is water under the bridge. He's the chief ministerial face.
We saw him teary-eyed. He broke down. But, the prime opposition for the AAP here, or someone who can really, the incumbent government, Congress seems to hold ground quite strong. With heavyweights like Navjot Singh Sidhu, Charanjit Singh Channi, Bhagwant Mann, what kind of clout can he possibly hold? And also now a big setback for the AAP, because none of the farmer unions who are contesting polls want to join hands with AAP either.
Well, the decision of making, Bhagwant Mann the chief ministerial face has actually stemmed from the fact that none of the farm factions, which have formed their own political party, did not want to join with the Aam Aadmi Party. It made that decision much easier to give the mantle to Bhagwant Mann. But, which you said that how is he going to match up? Let's take a quick look. How does he match up? The Congress still doesn't know whether it's Sidhu or Channi. So now the Congress will have to put their money where their mouth is, because at least right now, if you just go by basic perception on what we are picking up from ground, it seems right now, to be a bipolar contest. There's of course the Shiromani Akali Dal as well. There is the BJP Amrinder faction. There are the farm unions. So yes, there are all these factors, but it seems it's going to be a contest between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's look in 2017. 2017, out of 117 seats, Nabila, the Aam Aadmi Party thought it was going to win that election. It came down to 20 seats. That's all they won. The Congress, if I'm not wrong, 77 seats was the route that the Congress dealt to the Aam Aadmi Party. 18 seats was Shiromani Akali Dal. The Shiromani Akali Dal is right now waiting and watching, but it does seem that it's going to be a contest between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, where the farm factions who have gone political come into play. They will definitely eat into the peasant vote bank.
Yeah.
Aam Aadmi Party, till now, its support lies in the rural belt. It hasn't made that kind of inroads in the urban belt. So the farm factions will eat into the peasant base of the Aam Aadmi Party. Also the Shiromani Akali Dal. The Shiromani Akali Dal is very strong, where the peasant base is gaining popularity right now. So all of that will happen. Amrinder, BJP combined. At best right now, what seems to suggest is they will act as vote cutters. So of the BJP, or even the of the Congress, or even the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, Preeti, you say it's a bipolar contest, but there are four significant players here. It's going to be super exciting to see Punjab polls. Thank you very much for your perspective on that. Well, we're going to continue tracking those developments coming in from Punjab, but on the other side, Congress embraces